AI-generated avatars are exploding across social media right now. Creators are building entire brands without ever stepping in front of a camera. And yes, many are making real income from it. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to design a fully animated AI version of yourself that walks, gestures, and lip syncs in real time, so you can implement this into your YouTube Shorts, long-form videos, or any platform you choose. And the best part? It's way easier than you think. We're going step by step, from designing your avatar, animating it, syncing it with a voiceover, and editing it into a polished video that's ready to post. Let's get started. First, we need to create your digital twin. Open your preferred AI image generator. This could be ChatGPT's image feature or any similar tool. Upload a photo of yourself or the person you want to turn into an avatar. Then, write a detailed prompt describing exactly how you want your avatar to look, including hairstyle, outfit, facial features, and even the mood or vibe you want them to convey. For example, here's the prompt I used for my own avatar. You can use a similar format, just customize it to match your character. Hit generate and see the result.
One eternity later.
If it's not perfect, you can ask ChatGPT to do it again or tweak the prompt and try again. Before we can bring our image to life, we first need to create an image-to-video text prompt that will feed into our video creation software. Head back into ChatGPT and click on this icon to open the side menu. From there, select GPTs. In the search bar, type Animation Script Builder. This tool gives me some of the best image-to-video prompts every time. Click Start Chat to open it up. Now click on the photo button and upload the avatar image you want to animate. In the text box, describe exactly what you want your avatar to do. Maybe walking, waving, dancing, or pointing at the camera. The more specific and clear you are, the better the results. Once you're happy with your description, click the arrow button. Just like that, your custom image-to-video prompt is ready. Now that we have our prompt, copy it and head over to Kling AI, the tool we'll use to animate your image. Upload your image and paste the prompt we created. In the negative prompt box, type things you don't want, such as no blurring, no distortion. Next, choose your video duration, 5 seconds for quick clips or 10 seconds for longer ones. Click Generate and wait for the magic to happen. If you're using the free version, there will be a watermark. I usually just crop my video so it doesn't show in the final edit. In this example, I entered another prompt, and here's the result. Notice how there's distortion when the character gets to the dog. Let's fix that by adding no dog distortion to the negative prompt. Now the result looks much better. Next, we'll give your avatar a voice. For this tutorial, I'll be using ElevenLabs. Once you're in ElevenLabs, choose a voice that matches your style. Male, female, deep, energetic, calm. It's up to you. Paste your script into the text box and click Run. This will generate the dialogue your avatar will speak in your video. When it's ready, download the audio file. Let's edit everything together. Open any video editor of your choice. I will be using CapCut. Import your animated clips and audio. Arrange them in the order you want. Keep the video under 30 seconds for the best results. Now export your edited video. This is where your avatar truly comes alive. To lip sync your video, you can use 3 different websites: Dreamface, SyncLab, or Runway. All links will be in the description. I'll walk you through each one so you can decide which works best for your needs. 1. Dreamface. Once on the site, click Avatar Video. Upload your edited video, then import the voiceover file you created earlier. Click Generate, then preview your synced video. If everything looks good, congrats, your AI avatar is ready. Just download it. Here's the result.
One of them is called Dreamface.
2. SyncLab. Create a new project and click the plus sign to add your video and audio. Click Lip Sync, and once you're happy with the final product, download it. Here's the result.
The second one is SyncLab.
3. Runway. In the search bar, type Lip Sync Video and click on it. Upload your video and voice file. Click Generate, then download your finished video. Here's the result.
Or you can use Runway to lip sync your video.
And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you never miss a new video. Got a question or an idea? Share it in the comments. I read every single one. See you in the next video.